Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy shares on Trading212. And if you want to buy shares, we go right here to the Trading212 application, and I already switched to a demo account, so I'm using my demo account right here. And we can do this on two ways. If you want to search for a specific share or stock, it's exactly the same. You can go right here to search and then search, for example, for Adobe, and then you can click right here on buy, and then you can buy it from here. But what you also can do is right here, search here at stocks for the share that you want to buy. So let's do Microsoft, for example, and then we can click here on buy. Then right now, if you click here on the double arrows, you can decide if you want to buy as value or as quantity. Now I want to do it as quantity, and I want to buy one share. Then we can set a take profit or a stop loss on it if you want to do that. It's very smart to do that if you want to do risk management. So decide for yourself what you want to do. You can also put a set limit stop on it if you want to do that. But right now we just want to buy a share. So I click right here, confirm buy. And now if you can see, if I go right here to my portfolio, we just bought here a nice buy of Microsoft, a nice share. So this is how you can buy shares right here on Trading212. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.